Replacing your salary with AI isn't a dream. It's a process, and it doesn't happen overnight. It happens step by step. Here's the exact roadmap to replacing your income. Relying on one income source is the real risk, not leaving your job. Step 1. Build your first income stream. Your first milestone is simple: $1,000 per month. This proves you can make money outside your job. Step 2. Expand your income. Increase pricing. Add clients. Improve your offer. Step 3. Add additional income streams. Don't rely on one stream. Layer them. Services, products, content. Step 4. Turn everything into systems. Automation reduces your workload while increasing output. Step 5. Stabilize your income. You want consistency, not spikes. Now, the question becomes, when do you leave your job? When your income is stable for 3 to 6 months. That's your signal. At that point, it's not a risk. It's a transition. You're no longer dependent on one employer. You have control. You can stay, leave, pivot. This didn't happen by luck. You built it. And now you're operating at a different level. You don't quit your job, you replace it. And then you choose what comes next. I hope you're enjoying the series. If so, give us a like and subscribe to the channel. That way you'll know when the next videos are coming out. Thanks for watching.